In this video, I'll be going over my January 2024 YouTube AdSense and analytics. So let's get started with content and all, and we'll go to how many videos. So I published 12 videos in January, and that's mostly because I decided I wanted to publish a video for every day in the month. So I published a lot in the beginning of the month, and then I was on vacation for, I think it was about 11 days or so a week and a half to 2 weeks. And then I think I might have even had maybe another trip or something. I was just very, very busy in January, and I didn't really plan very well for posting a video every single day. I still have some videos currently as the time of recording this video from when I was trying to post every day that I haven't even posted yet because I haven't finished editing them. But that's okay. I'm still happy with the 12 I got out. And if I just scroll down some more, most of my views came from my videos, 15.2K, and then I got 4.3K in shorts, 263.7K impressions, and majority of viewers found me through YouTube search and then browse features. So YouTube search has 44.7% and browse features 24.2%, which I'm really happy about because I do want to have searchable content. I'm glad YouTube is also showing my content. So going to my actual analytics and revenue, I made $171.95 from YouTube AdSense, which is 19.5K views, 795.3 watch time hours, 196 subscribers, and then the $171.95. And then my lowest day looks to be $2.32 on January 30th. And then my highest day is January 2nd at $13.37. So beginning of the month, I had quite a few higher days. I did have my income report videos for KDP, like my monthly income report video, which tends to do pretty well, thankfully. And then I had a few more income videos, and then I was trying to post every day. So that's most likely why my income was much higher, and then it kind of went down, and then I didn't really post. So it was a little bit of a roller coaster of a month, but that's okay. And my views again were just all different. At one point, I think I did have 2,000 views in the last 48 hours here, and that was really cool to see. As I don't think I've had over 2,000 views before here. Right now it's lower because I haven't been posting a lot, but I did just post a video today. It's currently March 4th as I'm recording this video, 2024. So I'm hoping to see that go up, which is already starting to go up. But anyways, a little off topic there. So this is more than December, but it made sense because I did post more videos. So going to the revenue tab, scroll down, $11.28 for RPM, and then my top video is a realistic first year Amazon KDP, resized KDP cover, and then my income report video for December, which is I post the month prior, so that makes sense. Budget planner, and then how to start KDP in 2023. Which those are usually my typical top 5, so that makes sense to me. I do have one member here, so thank you so much to that member. I greatly appreciate you supporting my channel. It truly does help, and everything adds up. So thank you so much. 21 cents for shorts, and then majority is from watch page ads, $169.65. And then there is YouTube Premium as well, but it's most likely I usually make between like $0 to like $2 the YouTube Premium. I can click on the see more. It just takes a little bit to load. So YouTube Premium is $1.63. And then if I scroll back up here, so this, let's see, January went up. So January went up about $11-ish or $10 and something cents from December. And overall, like I wish it was more since I did post, I think, double the amount of videos, but because I was posting so many, they probably weren't as great quality. And then I kind of stopped posting towards like after the middle of January. So that's okay. At least we were going towards $200 here, but then in the next video you can find out that it definitely went down in February, and I will explain why in that video, so definitely stay tuned for that. But I'm still pretty happy with this. I can get paid out as long as I make over $100 a month, so I'm pretty happy as long as I get at least some sort of payment. And I mean, overall, I'm just really happy to even be getting paid with YouTube. So Thank you so much for watching and listening to this video and supporting me. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to comment them below. And I probably had around 5,000, maybe 5,200 subscribers during this time as well. But usually, like AdSense, things like that, it all comes from the views on the ads and the watch time. So just putting that out there. But thank you so much for watching and listening to this video. I hope that you have a great day.